This is commentary that I talked about with respect to be careful of using one of our real-time levels, the PWAP, as resistance. And the next one is more likely to be resistance on the next test. Let me just explain and take your eyes off of all the stuff that you see on this screen and just follow this illustration. These are PWAPs, both red and green, coming down in here. These are the average prices of where people are long and short from in the last 60 minutes, right? So prices come down in here like this. It starts to use the red as resistance. Not super close in there, but decent. Then the red PWAP comes down and it works as the top of this consolidation all in there. You see the red come down and you see price come up, back off, come up, back off, come up, back off. At some point, the more resistance is used, the less likely it's going to continue to work. And we talk about that all the time. And so in this area, I talked about we're going to go through the red, so be careful getting short there anymore. And we'll then target the green PWAP, and we'll see if the longs could defend that area. And then you see price do that in here. It goes through the red and targets the green. And then if you kind of look like a magnifying glass down in this lower chart, you guys know that this zooms us in a little bit, and you could see it come into where this green dotted line is. That's this green dotted line up here. And the market has a buy order of 100 lot get rejected, and it just scrambles back down and weakens again. But the point is context. How many times did your resistance level, whether you're using this or something else you have, did it already work and you're not on the team? Because that means that doesn't mean that it didn't work just because you didn't profit from it or you didn't open a position there. So you have to look at the market through the prism of what other people are going to try to do. And other people, when they see resistance, generally, they're looking at it because it's already been resistance. Too late. And they get jammed up in here. They get shook out up into there. They puke. And the longs trying to get out up there also defend that area and makes great resistance. If you don't know the definition of resistance, support, or resistance, you need to learn that as a basis to understanding order flow, and then using order flow to circle back to creating better support resistance. And it all comes back to other people's position. Oh, that was bad. Other people's positions. They create the future buying and selling that moves price.